Today's simple and delicious recipe is chicken thighs with herbs and garlic in the oven. Make sure that you watch the recipe entirely in order to get the best results. And we've got here 1 kilogram of chicken thighs, skin on and bone in. Now let's talk seasoning, and we're gonna begin simple with salt and pepper. A pinch of salt on each thigh and a pinch of freshly ground black pepper. Now you could say we are in a good situation. We've got salt, we've got pepper. What else do we need? But if you want to bring this to a whole new level, let's get the following ingredients in. And I've got here 2 sprigs of thyme and 2 sprigs of rosemary. And we're gonna chop this finely and we're gonna sprinkle them over the chicken thighs. Moving on, we've got here about 100 grams of melted butter, and we're gonna heavily infuse this with about 3 cloves of garlic and about a tablespoon of lemon juice. Now mix everything together and using a brush, spread this over the chicken thighs. Now the plan is to get this into the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 35 to 45 minutes or until are cooked all the way through. The temperature you're aiming for is 75 degrees Celsius or slightly higher. Once you get it out the oven, serve it with your favorite garnish, and I really hope that you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple recipes like this.